How to fix black screen on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix black screen problem on Android step by step. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, let's start with the fix number one. That is to force restart your phone. So here first press and hold on the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds, and on some phone you can press and hold power plus volume down together, and after that your phone should restart automatically. And with that, moving forward to the step 2, that is to charge your phone. So if the screen is still black, you can simply connect to your phone to a charger and wait for 15 to 20 minutes. And sometimes the battery is completely drained, so it might help you to solve the problem. And with that, moving forward to the fix number 3, that is to check screen brightness. So if the screen turns on but looks black, the brightness might be too low. So here you can simply increase the screen brightness for quick settings. And with that, moving forward to the fix number 4, that is to boot into safe mode. So a third party app may be causing the issue. So what you can do is simply press and hold on the power button and then tap and hold power off and select safe mode. If the phone works fine in safe mode, then you can simply uninstall recently installed apps to fix the problem. And with that, moving forward to the fix number 5, that is to factory reset your phone. So if nothing works, then you may need to do a factory reset, and this will erase all data. So use it as a last option. So here, what you can do is simply go to the settings, and from here, you can simply tap on About Phone and tap on Backup and Restore. And from here, what you can do is simply erase all data, and it will do a factory reset for your mobile. And that's it. That's how you can fix the black screen issues on Android. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.